Hello students, my name is Akash Raghav and we are covering our chapter 2nd of geography. In the previous classes we have covered eastern coastal plains and western coastal plains, and in today's class we'll be covering the islands, two islands which are lying in west side and east side of India. So let's start. First is first I'll tell you what is island. Okay, so island is a piece of land surrounded by water. Okay, if you just look at this map, okay, these images or this map, so this is a piece of land, okay, and it is surrounded by water. Okay, so this will become island, piece of land surrounded by water. Next is there are two major island groups in India. First is in Bay of Bengal, so first lies in Bay of Bengal, okay, and second is in Arabian Sea. Second lies in Arabian Sea. So first of all, we'll discuss Bay of Bengal island group. So there are about 572 islands. So on an approximate value, on an average, there are about 572 islands. Small islands are there. Okay, situated roughly between 6° north to 14° north. Okay, so basically north is this north. If we cover the northern part, and 92° east to 94° east. Okay, so basically this is you could say these are the terms, these are the values which are ascribed in the globe. Okay, so two principal group of islands are there. Okay, so first is we have Ritchie's Island. Okay, first is Ritchie's Archipelago. First is we have Ritchie's Archipelago. So first of all, I'll let you know the meaning of archipelago. So archipelago is basically this small group of islands, okay, which are very much small and they are scattered at an area. It is called archipelago. Okay, like in the image 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these small islands, they are called archipelago. Okay, so Ritchie's Archipelago, which lies in Labyrinth Island. Okay, so these all are islands. Okay, and they are known by the name Labyrinth Island. Okay, next, entire group of island is divided into two categories. First is Andaman and the second is Nicobar. So they are saying Andaman, it lies in north. So Andaman, it lies in northern part of whole the island group. Okay, and second is Nicobar. Nicobar, it lies in this area. Okay, so this area is Nicobar. Okay, so starting from here, small islands, they are a part of Nicobar Islands. Okay, it is written also. Next is, and these Andaman, whole Andaman and Nicobar. Okay, this Andaman, and Nicobar, they are separated by 10-degree channel. Okay, so channel is a pathway of water. Okay, basically this is Andaman. Okay, so this is, we know by the name 10-degree, okay, channel. So this is a passage of water which divides these two, Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay, so there are barren islands. Okay, here in Nicobar. Okay, in Nicobar, barren islands are also found in this area. Okay, you could say in the past they are also famous for volcanic activities, but for many years there is no certain activity of volcanic. Okay, thank you.